Welcome to Dunder Data Pandas Challenge number 9. These are daily exercises to challenge your pandas skills. You can take all of the challenges at python.dunderdata.com. Let's read in our employee data set as usual. So in this challenge, which sex and race combination appears the most in the data set? Return the sex, race, and count as a 3-item tuple. Let's go ahead and begin here. We need to look at the sex and race, count them up, and then find which one has the most first. So the value counts method does this. We can pass it in a list of the columns we want to count, so sex and race. Let's go ahead and look at this. So here it is for all the sex and race combinations. We see that value counts is nice and it sorts it from greatest to least. So the combination we're looking for will always be in the first slot, but we also need to get the values in the index, so that's male and white. This is a series, so one way to get that is by calling the reset index method. So this will turn it into a data frame, and if we do that, that looks good. And then we just want to get the very first row, and we can extract the first row with iloc. So do iloc 0, so the integer location 0, and it'll return a series with the data frame columns in the index. We don't care about these columns anymore. What we want is these three values, male, white, and 6488. And we can just actually pass this to the tuple constructor. So the values will get extracted from there. And this should be what we want. So male, white, and 6488. That should be the tuple. And if we look at the solution, that is in fact correct. We can verify with this search statement here. Okay, so that does it for Dunder Data Pandas Challenge number 9. If you enjoyed this challenge and would like to learn more, then come check out my books and courses at dunderdata.com. I provide a comprehensive path for mastering both Python and Pandas to produce trusted results. Below I have a few of my courses. Exercise Python will teach you the fundamentals of Python. Master Data Analysis with Python is an extremely comprehensive course that will teach you everything there is to know about using the Pandas library to do data analysis. And then my newest course is Build an Interactive Data Analytics Dashboard with Python, which is a really fun and exciting course and teaches you all the steps for launching your very own dashboard with Python.